Two ones are two, two twos are four, two threes are six, two fours are eight, two fives are 10. As predictable as a two-ka table is the Bollywood sports film formula. Hi guys, I am Stuti and this week I'm reviewing Toofan. Yes! Literally, it means raging storm. However, in this case, it's more like gas. Think chips ka lifafa. Chips तो थोड़े होते हैं, हवा ज़्यादा होती है. यहाँ पर भी they are faffing for around 163 minutes. Now, I don't need to tell you the story of Toofan. I just need to give you the fixed recipe. प्रक्रिया कुछ इस प्रकार की. एक अच्छा साबुत अंडरडॉग लीजिए और उसे पैशन के साथ मैरिनेट कर दीजिए. फिर टेक्निक और स्किल की धीमी आंच में इसे पकाएं. स्वाद अनुसार गाने डालना ना भूलें ताकि इसका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो जाए. और जब ढक्कन लगा के आप उसे पका रहे हो तो कुछ नर्वस सेकंड्स के लिए ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि सब बर्बाद हो जाएगा, but then he wins and everyone's happy. कंट्रोल सी, कंट्रोल वी, यहाँ पे भी हो गया है. फर्क सिर्फ इतना है कि हम पक गए हैं. Now, Toofan is about this boxer, Aziz Ali, played by Farhan Akhtar. Farhan Akhtar also gets the idea credit for the film. तो ये है अज्जू भाई, originally a Mawali in Dongri, who when finds his true purpose in life becomes the boxer Aziz Ali. Now, since this character never gets to represent India internationally, it's not so much about national pride as it is about individual triumph, which is fine. My only problem with Toofan is that it's an extremely demanding film. Demand number one कि आप और मैं उबासी ना ले, which is impossible. बंदे का तो इंसोम्निया भी भाग जाए. इतनी लंबी पिक्चर, इतने बोरिंग गाने फुल कंसंट्रेशन के साथ कैसे देखें. डिमांड नंबर टू that we fake our surprise, जबकि हालत ऐसी है that we are ready to complete the sentences of the characters. I'm not telling you the whole thing, but somewhere around the climax is this big twist, okay, involving Paresh Rawal का character. उनकी शक्ल देख के you know what he's going to do. Like it's the oldest trick in the book, but we have to pretend like we are surprised. And finally, हम भूलने की बीमारी अपना लें ताकि हम भूल जाएं कि कैरेक्टर्स क्या थे और क्या बन गए और क्यों. एक तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता why Bollywood directors even bother with giving the heroine a career. वैसे भी 1.5 सीन्स के लिए आप दिखाते हो and the purpose is only कि एक मीटिंग पॉइंट मिल जाए हीरो और हीरोइन का. मतलब Mrunal Thakur, who plays the love interest of Farhan Akhtar in the film, is a doctor. And then it's almost like we are supposed to forget this because they never come back to that. This character is robbed of all agency. मतलब she's also capable, if not more than at least as capable as Aziz Ali to handle the situation, but नहीं, उसके कंधे पे सर रख के रोना ही है. तो यार मटर छिलते हुए दिखा देते हैं ना. डॉक्टर बनने की मतलब फॉर्मेलिटी करने की भी क्या जरूरत थी. अजी मैं कह रही हूँ ये भी छोड़ो. Imagine they weave a story around the sport of boxing and yet once you finish watching the film, you realize that Farhan Akhtar's character could be playing any sport. Kho-kho, kabaddi, badminton, chess, and the outcome would be the same. You know, I think the only reason they chose boxing is because it looks very cool on screen. वो stylized shots के साथ दिखाते हैं. But it's a stale playlist. The fatigue has set in. You know exactly किसके बाद क्या होगा. And those लंबे 3-4 मिनट के गाने जहाँ पे full body transformation हो जाती है. Like, we've seen it all. For us to be truly invested in a film, it's important that you feel for the characters and you understand their pain. That's when you want to cheer for them. The only time that happens here and the film comes alive, I got my hopes up, was when they focus on the personal relationship. Aziz Ali in love with Ananya Prabhu. तो आपको लगता है कि यार अब ना film finally on track आई और bravely they're going to show us what they really want to see. But it's almost like इन्हें याद आया कि यार कहीं कोई offend ना हो जाए, इस चक्कर में picture censor ना हो जाए, and they dilute their message, they give up on themselves, which is why everything ends up seeming bloated and unnecessary. सबको खुश करने के चक्कर में ना disappoint ही करती है. अब you feel bad for actors like Hussain Dalal, who's so good as Farhan Akhtar's on-screen friend, Mrunal Thakur, जिनकी इतनी pleasing personality है and yet she's not allowed to do much. सारी heavy lifting literally and metaphorically Farhan Akhtar ने की है, पर उनकी गलती नहीं है. हम बोर हो गए. अब the worst thing that a film can be is boring, and that's what happens here. This Paresh Rawal, Mohan Agashe, who are good. सुप्रिया पाठक, उनके कैरेक्टर को तो सैक्रिफाइस कर दिया स्टीरियोटाइप की देवी के सामने. वही मिसेस डिसूजा का कैरेक्टर है. थोड़ा हिंदी बोलेगा, फिर इंग्लिश बोलेगा, थप्पड़ नहीं स्लैप मारेगा. These are those tropes that this film refuses to give up on. So it's so full of stereotypes and it's so predictable. अब देखिए मेरी तरफ से तो तूफान warrants 2 quints out of 5. पर कोई ज़बरदस्ती नहीं है, आपकी श्रद्धा अनुसार आप देखना चाहें तो देख लें. I hope this review was helpful. Don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe to The Quint. अच्छे वाले comments comment section पे. Also Facebook पे I have my page called Stuti on The Quint. Make sure you like it to know what to see and what to avoid.